Good afternoon, children. Today we are starting chapter 1 Resources from Geography. Children, what are the resources? What do you mean by the resources? Resources means whatever things which we are using in our day to day life. It means we can say that we are depend on these things and we cannot imagine without these resources, without these things we are using in our houses, right? Like food, grains, water, TV, mobile, books, pen, anything else which we are using in our house, out of the house, and when we want to go anywhere else we need a rickshaw, car, motorcycle, anything. It means these are the resources because we are depend on these things, and we cannot imagine, we cannot think without these resources, without these things we can live, right? So these things are called resources. Okay, in definition we can say that anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called a resources. Okay, now we can classify these resources in three categories, right? First is that natural resources, human made resources, and human resources. Okay, first we will get understand what are the natural resources. Okay, these is the resources, already I explained you about the resources. Okay, and this is the natural mean things which we get by the nature. Okay, so natural resources, we can get these resources by the nature, and some resources we use directly without much modification, right? We air we breathe, and water when we thirsty, right? And many more resources like soil, minerals. These are the uh, uh, these are the natural resources. It means natural resources that are drawn from the nature and used without much modification are called the natural resources. Okay, okay, now second is the human made resources. Human made resources means these resources created by the human being, right? Or called the human made resources. Okay, human have used his skill, knowledge, have create more resources according to his need. These resources are called the human made resources. What are the human made resources? Human made resources like buildings, bridge, uh, road, right, park, and many more resources which is created by the human being, right? Now third is the human resources. Human resources mean it is created by the human, right? Like family, society, religion, politics. These resources are created by the human, right? So human have used his idea, skill, knowledge, have created these resources, right? Okay, now first I will explain you natural resources in detail, right? So natural resources